Hi, this is Chase from Goga Valor Digithy, and today my mom and me and my sister and my other brother, we went to Toys R Us and we got to spend $15, and so I'm going to show you what I got. So first off, I'm going to show you my Mash'ems, but there's one thing that I didn't open. I was just so eager to open this because these are my first Mash'ems. I got a 2-pack and it was Blackbird and Redbird. You can squeeze them. I'm switching rooms with my sister, so I'm going to get a bigger blue background. And I'm going to have the same black table. So that's going to be cool. So I'll set these on the table. And my next video will be Angry Birds Space Mash'ems bonus pack. But if I get something else new, I guess I'll show you that with my other video. So there's the Mash'ems, and also got a Splat Ball, an Angry Birds Splat Ball. You can squeeze it, and there's water in it, and you do this. Let me hold the camera in case. Okay. And like that. Yeah, see, the camera fell. So, Splat Ball, Mash'ems, and I also got an Angry Bird putty. I thought it was going to be like silly putty, but I guess it's not, but it's still fun to play with. So here's my stuff so far. Okay, and so it's Redbird, and you can squeeze them too, but not like a Mash'em. And it has a hole in the bottom and makes that noise. So we got that too. And the last thing that was unopened was an Angry Bird backpack clip. It's a plush too. It's made by Commonwealth and it's for all ages. And so yeah, I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna save it for school. So let me move this stuff so you can get a better view. There. I'm gonna wait for school to start so I can put this on my Angry Bird backpack. So that's gonna be cool. So yeah, there's my video. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Goodbye. Yeah.